This is the definitive guide to resolving a Lenovo laptop that has crashed and is stuck on the boot screen, refusing to advance past the logo. Having personally navigated this exact frustrating scenario and meticulously testing numerous solutions, multiple effective methods have been identified to get your Lenovo operational again, and I will now detail them for you. First, method 1 addresses a potential power cycle issue by completely powering off, disconnecting all power sources including the battery if removable, and then holding the power button for 30 seconds. We discharge any residual static electricity that might be preventing a clean boot sequence, effectively resetting the power management hardware. Method 2 delves into BIOS settings, entering the BIOS and altering the boot order to prioritize the primary storage drive HDD SSD, ensures the system attempts to load the operating system from the correct location, bypassing any erroneous boot device selections that might cause it to hang at the logo. Method 3 utilizes a USB recovery drive. Booting from this external media allows access to advanced troubleshooting tools, specifically startup repair, which can automatically diagnose and fix corrupted system files or boot configurations that are preventing Windows from loading, directly targeting the software corruption. Method 4 involves a more comprehensive hard reset, unplugging all external devices and holding the power button for a full 60 seconds performs a deeper hardware reset, clearing the motherboard's memory and potentially resolving firmware conflicts that could manifest as a boot loop, ensuring a fresh hardware initialization for the startup process.